To celebrate Novus's 5th birthday, we wanted to do something extra special to mark the occasion. So we decided there was no better way than giving back to our local communities through the Big Five Changing Lives projects. We decided to run a national social media competition, which resulted in thousands of nominations. Our colleagues had the difficult decision of deciding the 5 most deserving projects. Our journey started in Leeds at the beginning of the year. It took us all around the country, finishing in Liverpool. So let's take a minute to look back on the year at the inspiring work that we have all done.
Today we're in Leeds for the launch of the Big Five Changing Lives projects. And the project is to transform a derelict property into a home for a homeless person.
The work they've done on this property is incredible, transformation's fantastic, and the tenant who gets to live here is going to have a real opportunity to change their life.
This bereavement suite that we have built here for them is going to mean so much for the mothers who unfortunately lose children.
So the suite that's been developed here is incredible. It's a place, a safe haven for parents who have had bereavement, so their child's died over 14 weeks, can come and spend time with their baby, create memories. At the moment they go on labour ward with other families whose babies cry, and here are other ladies going through labour at a happy time which should have been their time too. This suite couldn't have happened without Novus. It's been incredible. The work they've done in 10 days, as you've seen, is beautiful. It's a safe haven and we couldn't have asked for any more.
Hi, welcome to Bromley Pensnet Primary School, where work is well underway for the 3rd of the Novus Big Five projects.
This building was once not fit for purpose and had stood derelict for a number of years. Now, thanks to the help and support of Novus, it's been transformed into a space that can be used by children, families and the local community.
This project was chosen by our employees as we felt it would have the biggest impact on our local community. During the project, we invited young people to get involved in refurbishment. They spent their day working alongside Novus employees to develop their skills.
The refurbishment of the Riverside Community Wing will be a great benefit to the kids we work with, the older young people and the community of Craigshill. Great thanks to Novus for all the hard work.
So Tom Harrison House is an addiction recovery centre specifically for military veterans, the only one of its kind in the whole of the UK. This piece of work would never have been able to be done if it wasn't for everyone who sponsored it and put all the effort in. We've got the new outpost, we've got the whole building completely transformed on the outside, the new covered area, the new grass. I mean, it's just stunning. This yard was horrific when we started, and look what they've done for us. Novus has just been incredible. We're so grateful.
Finally, a huge thank you has to go out to our colleagues, supply chain and charitable partners, as none of this would have happened without each and every one of you. We've had a great day today here at Liverpool Football Stadium, celebrating the completion of the Big Five Changing Lives projects. We've brought everybody together from all around the country who's worked on this with us. So thank you everybody for helping us to give back to the communities that we've worked in.